Thank you for choosing SharkBite for your plumbing project. Today we're installing a CPVC supply stop valve from SharkBite on a 1/2-inch CPVC stub-out. To get started, you'll need to look at your application and determine if your stub-out comes out of the wall or floor. If your stub-out comes out of the wall, you'll need an angle stop valve. And if your stub-out comes out of the floor, you'll need a straight stop valve. Like any plumbing project, your first stop should be shutting off the water supply to the area you're working on. The safest way to do this is the main water shutoff to the structure. Then, continue to relieve pressure and drain the supply lines by opening a nearby faucet. Some applications require only one stop valve, while others require 2 stop valves. Be sure to get the appropriate quantity for your project before beginning. If necessary, disconnect any supply lines and remove old stop valves. Cut the CPVC stub-out squarely. Apply CPVC all-in-one, or primer and cement, to both the end of the CPVC pipe and the inside of the valve. Be sure not to over-apply. Push the valve onto the pipe, then turn it 90 degrees to align it with the fixture. Allow the joint to cure according to the solvent's instructions. Finish by installing your faucet or toilet connector from the stop valve to your fixture. Hand tighten the nut until snug. Then, using a wrench, tighten 1/4 turn. Be careful not to over-tighten. Turn the stop valve to the open position, followed by the main water supply. Check to ensure there are no leaks or loose connections. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable. SharkBite offers supply connections for faucets, toilets, refrigerators, dishwashers, ice makers, and humidifiers.